What are the downsides of using credit? Quick gut check. Every swipe feels painless until the bill shows up with teeth. Here's the real downside of using credit. Interest compounds fast. Carry a balance, and yesterday's $150 becomes tomorrow's $200. Miss a due date, and you'll eat late fees, potential penalty APRs, and a ding to your score that makes future borrowing pricier. Minimum payments? That's the slow-motion debt trap. Your principal barely moves while months of interest pile up. Utilization matters too. Running cards near their limit can drop your credit score even if you never miss a payment. Add in annual fees, cash advance fees, and deferred interest promos that backfire if you're late by a day, and the reward points math can collapse. Variable rates rise with the market, so what felt manageable can spike. Credit isn't evil. It builds history and covers emergencies, but it demands discipline. Automate payments, keep utilization low, pay in full, and treat credit like a power tool, not free cash.